Welcome dear student to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn complete concepts on electronegativity, which is mainly observed in chemical compounds and their role in different angles in chemicals. So let's start. Electronegativity. Electronegativity. So first of all, we should know what is electronegativity. It is one of the periodic property of an element, which is the tendency of an element to attract the electron pair. Which type of electron pair? Electron pair are of two types, which are mainly observed in chemicals. One is, you know that one is lone pair of electron and another is bond pair or share pair of electron. That means here the electronegativity mainly deals with bond pair, that means share pair of electron. So that means what I am telling, electronegativity is directly linked with share pair of electron. Share pair of electron. So what does the share pair electron mean? We will know first. Share pair electron. So as the name shows, pair electron, that means pair means two electrons are present or involved during electronegativity concept. So share pair means if the atoms which participate in chemical bond formation involve their equals involvement of the unpaired electron, then at that condition the electron pair are called as share pair of electron. That means you can consider my hand. This hand is unpaired and this hand is unpaired. If this hand belongs to one electron, of an atom and this hand belongs to one electron of another atom, then these are called as unpaired electrons of the atoms. And in that condition, if the hands, that means electrons of different atoms, gets involved in the formation of single bond, then that electron pair or this electron pair, one electron pair of one atom and another electron pair of another atom gets involved, then it develops a bond pair. One electron pairs develops a bond pair, and at that condition the bond pair electron is termed as share pair electron, because the electron pair develops due to sharing of the electron. So it is called as share pair electron, and the share pair electron concept is mainly related to covalent bond. Mainly it is related to covalent bond. So electronegativity concepts are mainly applicable for covalently bonded compounds. So we learned now what is share pair electron, and its position in which type of bond. There are different types of bond, you know, and electronegativity is related to covalent bond. So let's understand the concept with example. So you write down it first. After that we will go to the example. Write it first. So now I am wiping this part. If you have written, just mark. We will know first what is share pair electron and how it develops in a covalently bonded compound. So to understand it, let's take the example of HF. I am taking the help of hydrogen fluoride. I am taking the help of hydrogen fluoride to explain you what is electronegativity through the share pair electron concept. So to understand this better, now I am going for electronic configuration of the atoms or the individual atoms. So for hydrogen, you know that hydrogen has the atomic number 1. Similarly, fluorine atom has the atomic number 9, and in hydrogen the electrons are arranged in s orbital, that is 1s orbital, and it has the box diagram or suborbital representation, that is it may be clockwise manner or you can take it in anti-clockwise manner. Similarly, if you will take the example of fluorine, that will happen, it will give the electron configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p. You know 9 electron is there, so 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 9 will be the electronic representation of the fluorine atom. And if you don't have an idea how the electronic configuration is carried out, so please go for the playlist to watch the electronic configuration concept in detail. After that, come to this video which will give you the complete idea what I am telling in this portion. So going for the box diagram representation or suborbital representation of the atom, of the orbitals of the fluorine atom. So in this case, you can mark that 2s and 2p, both the orbitals have same principal quantum number value, that is same or identical n value, in which the s orbital has the single box and p orbital has 3 suborbitals, due to which the s orbital has the tendency to carry 2 electron and it also possesses 2 electron, but p orbital contains 5 electron. The rule says that we need to fill either in clockwise manner or anti-clockwise manner electrons from left side to right side of the suborbitals of orbital. After that, we will go for pairing if electrons are available in more. That means we have placed 3 electrons in clockwise manner, and the next thing comes with the anti-clockwise electron, which is the pending electron, that is 2 electron, which will be present in the p orbital. That means here 1 electron, it expresses 4 electron, and the last electron, that is 1 electron, is present in the py orbital. It is the px, it is the py suborbital. So I am not going for the name. Now we only need the unpaired electron, which will help us to understand the share pair electron. Unshare pair electron always develops share pair of electron. This is unpaired electron for fluorine atom. This is the unpaired electron for fluorine atom, and this is the unpaired electron for hydrogen atom. So by the help of these unpaired electrons, we will understand how the electronegativity occur in the HF or in different compounds by the help of HF. So you know that covalent bond, I have told that covalent bond always develops due to sharing of the unpaired electrons. Due to sharing of the unpaired electrons. These are the unpaired electrons, these are the pair electrons. So these are pair electrons present in the valency orbital. Valency orbital are called as lone pair electrons. You know it better, but we have no need to understand the electronegativity concept. For lone pair electron, we only need unshare pair electron and share pair electron to understand the electronegativity concept. So what we will need here? Here hydrogen atom has single unpaired electron, which I am expressing by dot structure, and the fluorine atom has also single unpaired electron in its p orbital, suborbital. So I am expressing the unpaired electron of fluorine by the help of star mark, or you can say it cross mark, dot and cross representation. I am expressing it's cross. So cross mark will represent the unpaired electron of fluorine atom, which is present here, and this dot electron expresses the unpaired electron of hydrogen atom here. So what will happen here? The unpaired electron of hydrogen, like my hand, unpaired electron of hydrogen will pair with the unpaired electron of another atom, so unpaired electron. So resulting in the formation of pair electron, it develops a pair, and this pair electron is called as, this pair develops due to the sharing of the unpaired electron of hydrogen and fluorine atom. So they are called as share pair electron, because the pair electron develops due to sharing, so it is called as share pair electron. So in HF, one share pair of electron is present. So this share pair of electron develops covalent bond between hydrogen and fluorine, and the share pair electron develops your single covalent bond, that is sigma bond, and due to this fact it develops covalent bond. But in case of electronegativity, you know that out of the 118 elements still discovered today, the fluorine atom has the maximum electronegativity tendency to attract the share pair of electron towards itself, due to which the electron pair, here you know that this electron pair moves towards or moves more towards the fluorine atom, resulting in the development of partial negative charge over the fluorine atom, and resulting ultimately development of positive charge over the hydrogen atom. In this way, both positive and negative charge develops over the hydrogen and fluorine, which is the result of electronegativity concept. And we can say here the definition. So the tendency, write down the definition with understanding. The tendency of an atom, tendency of an atom to attract, it is attracting, this atom is attracting, the tendency of an atom to attract the share pair electron towards itself in a covalent bond is called as electronegativity, and that type of atom is called as electronegative atom. Electronegative atom. It is single word. Electronegative atom. So the atom, we can say it another way, the atom which has the tendency to attract the share pair of electron towards itself is called as electronegative atom, and the tendency of the atom to attract the share pair of electron towards itself is called as electronegativity. And due to electronegativity, charge separation or the opposite type of charge development occur in an covalently bonded compound, and this occur due to the unequal displacement of the electrons towards more electronegative atom. So it is the complete concept upon electronegativity, or you can not tell it is the complete concept, with the basic idea upon the electronegativity concept. So electronegativity concept always helps us to understand different inorganic reactions along with organic reactions also. So it is mainly used most of the organic reactions. So completely learn the electronegativity concept from this video. If you have any doubt in this lecture, comment in the comment section. If you not understand any portion of this video, also mention it. I will clarify about your doubt in the coming lecture. Thank you. If you have visited our channel first time, subscribe to our channel.